It's a nice example of sometimes where you see miscommunication in the industry. Someone sees that as a 6, someone sees that as a 9, and then someone else sees that as 96. So this is the printed ticket that we talked about, and this just gives you an idea of the number of people which are associated with this ticket. The Vice President wants to see it, the Regional Manager, the Plant Manager, the dispatchers and drivers all have input on this ticket. The batchers need to see the ticket, the lab technician wants to see the ticket, accounting has input, obviously they want to be able to invoice from that ticket. The paver, the DOT, the owners, the pumpers, the testers. So as you can see, there's just so many different people who have an interest in digitally capturing that ticket information rather than the hard copy that you see today, and be able to make use of that digital information. So what is digital collaboration? This is straight from Wikipedia. Digital collaboration is dramatically different from traditional collaboration in that it connects a broader network of participants who can accomplish more together than they can on their own. So I mentioned before that the Connex platform is a technical platform, but it's also a collaboration platform for producers, suppliers, contractors, and haulers. So being able to share that ticket data amongst that ecosystem is going to be key to success in the future. So we mentioned the market needs here, the needs for that platform. We see the Connex platform as 3 items really. We see it as the physical side of things. So by physical, I mean the plants that are associated with producing concrete, the drivers and the trucks who are associated with delivering concrete. And then at the job site, electronic proof of delivery, e-ticketing, being able to sign on glass. And then obviously the placers of the contractor, the placers of the concrete, the contractors, and the owners of these companies as well. They're all very interested in that physical aspect of the platform. Connectivity, we'll talk about a little bit later. None of this works without processes being in good shape in terms of the dispatch process, the production processes, the fulfillment processes, and what happens on the job site. And then insights is really the analytics piece that sits on top of the Connex platform that allows you to look year over year, or in fact in real time as well, at the data that's associated with your operations. So the Connex platform is really designed to be a single source of the truth. We're taking data from on-premises systems that have Apex and Integra and Command Batch, and we're moving that data from the on-prem systems to the cloud. We're enriching the value to the investments that our customers have already made. Most of our customers have these systems and have been invested in these systems for many years. By moving that data to the cloud, it becomes much more scalable, much more open, and opens up the possibility to that collaboration that we've talked about across the whole collaboration platform between suppliers, contractors, haulers, and producers. So let's talk about the physical piece already. We talked about the physical piece. The connectivity piece is about freeing data to the cloud. The Connex cloud is on top of the AWS platform. So we have a very scalable, very solid platform that many companies use throughout many industries. We're talking about many-to-many relationships. We're very invested in producing what we call a common universal model. And that common universal model is a ticket is a ticket is a ticket. Whether it's produced to deliver concrete, or whether it's just produced to deliver aggregate, or whether it's for cement, etc., etc. It has a very common set of data elements that we have been able to use and produce this common universal model. And the other thing is that we're very interested in third-party participation. Command Alcon in the past has been somewhat closed in our willingness to share data across different industries, across different vendors, across different platforms. And now we're very much open to being able to share data with some of our partners like HCSS and Infotech and Hall Hub and BASF. So we can do that through this connectivity platform that we call Connex. So around our traditional applications of Command Series, Build It, Apex, Command Batch and Integra, we built the Connex platform. And the Connex platform also has connections to our platforms, our partner platforms, and also to the general contractor world as well. So if Benavido or Zachary or Kiewit want to get ticket information or project ticket information associated with a producer, then the Connex platform allows that ability to be able to share that ticket information digitally on the platform. Okay, let's see what this is.